welcome to the very first official SAP Builders Beyond Code event in the SAP data space in Berlin.
I am an ABAP consultant from background, and now I am manager of software team in my company. I am here to learn something about SAP Build and new technology.
I'm working for SAP as consultant more than 20 years, and now I'm very excited to try out.
Well, I'm a functional consultant in the area of manufacturing and quality management. I do not have any programming knowledge at all, so I'm the beginner.
I am originally backend engineer and architect, so I am designing the backend system to utilize the business to the technology. So here I was really wondering, what is low code and no code? It could change the world a lot so that everyone can utilize and everyone can easily create the system they want to have. I'm super excited with that.
I heard it before, but never tried. But I think the future is like this technology. We need to adapt for this technology immediately, I believe.